Hey everyone, if you want to use split tunneling in Proton VPN in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to control which apps use the VPN and which apps don't. First, split tunneling lets you route some apps through the VPN, while other apps use your normal internet connection. Start by opening the Proton VPN app on your device. Now log in using your Proton account credentials. Click the Settings or Menu icon inside the app to access advanced features. Scroll down and look for split tunneling in the Settings menu. Turn on split tunneling. Yeah, this allows you to manage which apps use the VPN. You can choose whether to exclude apps from the VPN or only include selected apps. Now select the apps you want to route through or outside the VPN. Test your setup by opening different apps and checking their IP or connection behavior. For better performance, use VPN only for sensitive apps like browsers and banking, and exclude apps that need local speed. A common mistake is adding too many apps to the VPN, which can slow down your connection instead of improving it, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to use split tunneling in Proton VPN in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.